Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey through some of the most stunning university campuses in Delhi NCR. Our first stop, Delhi University. This iconic institution harmoniously combines historic architecture with lush green landscapes. From the majestic red brick buildings of North Campus to the serene lakes and gardens of South Campus, there's something for everyone. Next up, Amity University. From the grand amphitheater to the state-of-the-art libraries and sports complexes, Amity has it all. It's a perfect blend of academia and aesthetics. Now, let's talk about the paradise that is Shiv Nadar University. With its lush greenery, cutting-edge research centers, futuristic architecture, and state-of-the-art hostels, as well as cozy common areas and well-equipped study spaces, Shiv Nadar IOE is a true marvel. Moving on to Ashoka University. It offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The campus is designed to foster creativity and critical thinking, with its modern architecture and open spaces, promoting collaboration and innovation. And finally, we have OP Jindal Global University. The meticulously designed pathways, serene gardens, world-class facilities, including cutting-edge research centers, libraries, and state-of-the-art classrooms, create an atmosphere that inspires learning and creativity. So, there you have it. These Delhi NCR University campuses aren't just about education, they're a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, a visual delight.